Hello, my name is Adan Arenas, and this is my first practical for prevention care athletic injury for KIN 337. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the carotid pulse on my patient. First I go to the middle of the trachea, and the either side works. So I'm going to go with the left-hand side right here. I'm going to mark it. This was the mark for the carotid pulse. And now I'm going to find the radial pulse on my patient. Right about here. 6. And the respiration rate for my patient was about 16 beats per minute with about 64 beats per minute. And then it was right here. The way I determine my calculations on the radial pulse and the respiration rate is by counting for 30 seconds and then just multiplying everything by 2. And the next pulse I'm going to find is the brachial pulse. And it's located right about here. So now, in order to find the dorsopedal pulse on my patient, I will use the extensor hallucis longus as a guide. It's going to be right about here. And now for the patellar reflex, I'm going to find my patient's tendon by having him extend the knee. Right below the kneecap, that's where I'm going to identify the tendon. So after identifying the patellar tendon on my patient, I'm going to have a normal response. So for the Babinski reflex, I'm going to get an object like this. And I'm just going to run it from the heel of the toe all the way to the big toe. I should get some abduction of the lower toe, of the little toes, and an extension of the big toe. And I'm going to do this foot as well. So right here. With some extension and then abduction of the toes as well. For both normal reflexes.